you are prepping your pieces, this is going to be your best friend. It should be in every painter's toolkit. It's called TSP, and it's basically a cleaner. Now, our TSP is actually phosphate free, which is fabulous because it's much more eco-friendly. It's also biodegradable. So what this essentially does is it helps to clean off your pieces. If you're picking up a roadside find or something that's been sitting in your garage for a while, or even in your house, over the years it's collected dust, dirt, grime, you name it. You don't want to paint that in. You want to have a really good solid base to start with when you're painting. So all you need to do is grab our wonderful biodegradable TSP solution. It's a concentrated formula. You mix in with some water and just wipe down your piece with it. And that's how you're going to get a really great base to paint onto.